Hey, I'm over here at 170 Nun Drive in Crestview, Florida. Now this is a beautiful property just south of the interstate. It's just under 2,000 square feet. We've got 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, a large front yard, a large backyard, a covered porch area in the back, a covered porch area in the front, a large panoramic backyard view sunroom on top of an RV, boat, camper, or whatever you want to park there, slab with water and electrical hookups. Check it out.
Thank you so much for checking out this beautiful property. It is located south of I-10 for a convenient commute to the local military bases or the beaches of South Walton. If you have more questions about this property, feel free to contact me. The link to the listing should be attached. And if this isn't the one for you and you'd like to check out some other properties, please contact me.